Whether you're using a cassette toilet or a porta potty, you'll want a smooth and effective flush. For this purpose, Thetford has developed two products, Aqua Rinse Concentrated and Aqua Rinse Spray. What do these products do? These products prevent limescale buildup. They ensure that the bowl is left hygienic and clean after every flush, while also bring a pleasant fragrance to your bathroom. Do you have a porta potty or a cassette toilet with its own flush water tank? Then you should use Aqua Rinse Concentrated. By the way, you'll find the dosage on the label on the back of the bottle. You can dose it by simply pouring it to the flush water tank. If you have a motorhome or a caravan with a central water tank, you can't use Aqua Rinse Concentrated. Instead, we've developed Aqua Rinse Spray, which you spray directly into the bowl. The concentrated bottles are all made from recycled plastic, and for any further information, please visit Thetford.com.